Hello there, David here, and welcome back to my channel for a very exciting video. As I mentioned in a previous video, I'm nearing 500 subscribers. This means that it's giveaway time. In that same previous video, I mentioned that I was going to give away one of my push-button kits. One of these guys. The older version of this smart switch came with this gigantic switch. The version that you'll be receiving comes with a much smaller switch. Here's a size comparison of the new and old switches. If you'd like to support the channel, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link to these switches down below. You'll also receive a Wemos D1 Mini. The second giveaway winner will win the infamous Sonoff Basic. In order to qualify for this giveaway, your shipping address has to be either in the United States or Canada. You must also be subscribed to this channel and leave a comment down below saying which item you'd like to win. I truly do enjoy reading all the feedback and comments that my projects receive. Thanks again, and as always, have a wonderful day.